For nearly 2 years, there's been one question that scientists have struggled to answer. What caused the COVID-19 virus to infect humans and shut down the world?
I would ask everyone, countries, journalists, and everybody else, to create a little space for that discussion to happen.
The World Health Organization attempted to uncover COVID-19's origins earlier this year, sending scientists to China for a month. But Beijing was accused of meddling in the fact-finding, so a new advisory panel is being put together to focus not only on COVID, but all problematic pathogens.
The emergence of new viruses with the potential to spark epidemics and pandemics is a fact of nature.
700 scientists applied to be on the panel, with 26 chosen from backgrounds that include biosecurity and lab safety, a way to look into long-pushed theories over a leak from a Chinese lab.
Every one of us stares at this and knows the reality. The reality that this came from Wuhan.
The WHO claimed human error was unlikely early on, but Beijing's secrecy has kept the theory simmering, and the UN agency's director has called for further research. This group will work to balance all theories.
This is our best chance, and it may be our last chance to understand the origins of this virus in a collegiate, collective, and mutually responsible way.
If there has ever been a moment to be thinking about how to prevent pandemics before they start and do it on a global scale with global cooperation and collaboration, the moment is now.
The Advisory Commission's ultimate goal is to keep science front and center, creating a clear path to identifying future diseases too. Meetings will be confidential to cut out political noise. However, one obstacle to overcome: it can't compel countries to participate.
We need the cooperation of that member state to carry out any future missions.
But without a global effort, work can grind to a halt, and disease experts say the clock is ticking. Viral outbreaks are common, and tracing origins is a monumental task.
Reconstructing events after the fact is always much more difficult, and the further away you get from that event, the harder it is to collect the data.
Now, attempting to tie up loose threads on a virus that's still so unknown, opportunity arises to learn from past mistakes. Reggie Cecchini, Global News, Washington.